Hello, my YouTube friend. Tomorrow's Comic-Con. I decided to come in early today to get my wristband to show that I was vaccinated, so it's smooth going tomorrow. It's really easy. It took me like 2 seconds. I probably could have done it in the morning, but I decided since I'm in the city, I'm going to do a little pop hunt with you guys, and we're going to see if we can find anything cool. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's go in the Dwayne Reed over by Madison Square Garden. All right, there's no pops at the moment, but the cool kid and I have been collecting these. So I think I'm going to get this Lego figure. Very cool. Found a super cool InStyle magazine with Anna Taylor-Joy on the cover. Great actress. Gonna get that. This Hello Kitty greeting card is awesome, but it's $9. It's more than I want to spend. Love it though. We're going to Penn Station and check out the Walgreens to see if they have any cool Funko Pops. All right, let's take a look. Found the Walgreens. It's really loud. Let's go inside and see if they have anything. All right, no pops here and no what if Lego figures. I guess they're not stocking pops at the moment. All right, let's go to 32nd Street Think Geek to see if we can find anything on clearance or any new releases I'm excited for. All right, that's a cool pop. I want that one. They have the IG-88. That's super cool. They have, oh, this one, I love this one. These are too big for me to buy today, but I might order them. Love that one. They also have a bunch of these awesome 10-inch ones. Those are cool. Love that one. Found the GameStop exclusive Hello Kitty. Definitely going to get that one. This Froppy statue is really cool. Love that. Neat. This Horde Trooper's calling my name. Very cool. The Star Wars gaming one has a really cool sticker, so I think I'm going to get that one. Very cool. They still have the Beholder. Absolutely love that pop. Very cool. They also have Stanley Hudson. This Brightburn one's kind of creepy, but kind of awesome. I'll get that one eventually. Oh yeah, and the new Candyman coming out. Cannot wait to watch this. That is awesome. Now we have some really awesome G.I. Joe helmets in this case. Those are amazing. All right, I do have this Baroness Kotobukiya statue, but I have to look at it again because I love it. Wow. I think I might actually need that. That's from a Dungeons & Dragons Monster Manual. Love that one. All right, I found the clearance section. I think I'm going to get this figure for $5. He's cool looking. I might have him, but I figure for $5 I'll take a chance just in case I don't. I'm going to get Fraser Crane too for $5. Why not? Some super cute stuff in the window of the store. Love it. This fish tank with the diver looks so cool, especially at night with the light on. Very neat. Check out the door handles on this store too, the two hands. That is cool. I'm gonna check out the Barnes & Noble on 19th Street to see if they have any exclusives or clearance pops. I need to order myself the Back to the Future Playmobil DeLorean pretty soon. That thing is cool. The Scooby-Doo van's pretty cool too. Kind of really like those. Wow, I think this is the last of their pop section. The last time I was here, they had the whole floor full, and now they just have a little spinner rack. Which, actually, I do need to get the Beth Harmons, but I might just order those online, try to find a sale. And, no exclusives. Nothing too exciting over here. Oh. They have that still from like 3 years ago. I just got that one and that one recently. I love those. Nothing I must own over here. Yeah, I feel like they don't have much left. I'm going to see their clearance section, see if they have anything there. They have a little bit of other Funko stuff here, including these. They still have those rock candies from years ago. That's crazy to me. And nope, but just board games. Wow, the Funko section is a lot smaller than it used to be. I do love that they have an old school magazine section. I love that. So tempted to buy this art book for 15 bucks. That's pretty cool. I might have to check the website to see if I can order it. It's always a joy to me to see a wall of graphic novels in a bookstore. There's so many here. This is amazing. I'm going to see if I can find some cool manga for the cool kid. Oh, I didn't realize he had a poster book. I might have to order that. I love his artwork. And just the size of it, that's awesome. Oh, here we go. Manga. All right, let me see if I can find anything for the cool kid. This is like a fun horror genre one. I might have to get that one. The artwork inside looks great. Creepy, but awesome. Same artist, also hardcover. Pretty cool looking. Definitely, he's a famous horror artist. Awesome. Kind of want to get this one too. Maybe I should just order it. Awesome. I'm gonna check out Best Buy to see if they have any pops. They have some cool Minico statues, but no Funko Pops today, I don't think. They had a very small selection. Some Seinfeld ones and some Star Wars ones. Gonna check out Forbidden Planet real quick to see if there are any cool pops on clearance. All right, let's see what's inside.